Hello, Jordan with Brad Deary here. Today I'm going to show you this nice blue Chevy Cruze LT. Looking at the outside, it is in good condition. It actually has a sunroof, as well as it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Today I'm going to show you how you'd hook your iPhone up for the Apple CarPlay. You'll just want to simply get on in, start it up here. It's a nice push button start. And then once you got it started, this car here, you will have to connect to a USB cord. You're going to go into your settings on your screen here and then scroll down until you find your Apple CarPlay. Once you're in here, you would hit your manage to Apple CarPlay devices, put it on the cord, and it should automatically register that device. And that is all you need to do. From there, you can actually have your messages read to you, as well as use any sort of music apps you have on your iPhone.